Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one is a brilliant blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the AMG line with the AMG interior and exterior, 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, the lighting package with adaptive high beam assist, front and rear LED daytime running lights, leather package with a crystal gray leather interior, gloss black center console, sunroof, ambient lighting, rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, hands-free access package, AMG floor mats, power liftgate, premium one package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 31,844 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.